Hello everybody. Hi again. Tonight we're doing part 2 of working on the Pi. It's just like once you start editing what you have on your Pi, it's like it just keeps rolling. You just want to keep working on it. Because besides yesterday, it's been like maybe a week since I've done anything with it, and then jumping back in, you just want to keep on working on it. So let's just start right away. I was watching some videos last night, and it reminded me of some games that I need to put on specifically for GBA. So let's jump into our folders. Alright, we want to locate our ROMs. GBA. This is on the right side is what's on my Pi. The left side is what's on my PC. So I'm looking for Final Fantasy Tactics and Mega Man Battle Network. So drag it over. It's as simple as that, really. And then Tactics. Now I have played Tactics Advance back in the day, but I didn't, or I was intimidated by the rule system, the laws that you had to follow. You couldn't just win the fight; you had to follow specific rules. And back then, that was like, nah, dude, I don't want to play this. Now I'll have to give it another chance. But if I don't like it, there is a ROM hack out there that disables the laws, which I think is really cool. So these two are on. Let's minimize. We're going to move over to the Pi. First thing you want to do is test the games, make sure they work. Which they should. I've had no issues so far. Battle Network. I've never played this one, but it looked kind of cool. Cool, and there's achievements. Nice, that works. Check out Final Fantasy Tactic. Whoa, my god, 135 achievements. Very cool. So once these are good to go, we need to scrape them. So another chilled out session tonight, but that's kind of what we're going for. We're just working on this. Oh yeah, that reminds me, somehow whenever I'm not sure what I did, but I need to go and edit some, oh my god, what is that? I need to go and edit some DS titles, specifically Mario Hoops 3-on-3. The name got changed to the European name, which is, I forget what it's called. I'll take a look at it. Mario Basket, that's what it's called. Okay, so that scraped awfully quick, which means it probably didn't work. Okay. Weird, I'm having some issues with this lately. Okay, before I go on, let me change this to Mario Hoops. So weird. I don't know why I'm having issues. Scraping. Hey, it's not that hard, actually. It's pretty fun. Originally, I got it because, I just wanted a nice and easy way to play all my emulators and stuff, but then you start figuring out that you can do all this cool stuff to it, and you just start adding and adding and adding. Like right now, I'm having issues, getting the box art for these two games right here. And I'm not sure why. Everything else worked. For some reason, I can't scrape these images. So, I think I'm going to skip this for now. And I'll have to make a backup of this on my PC. That way I can try something drastic. So for now, let's go back to the PC. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get rid of the numbers. But the thing is, okay, let's look at my my folder. So here we have, this is what's on my Pi. And these have the numbers, see? All these have the numbers here. Down here, and they worked. So I'm not sure what's going on. I'm gonna try to get rid of the numbers anyway. Let's get rid of these save files. It's weird, and I was having issues with it yesterday as well. Alright, let's try that. There's a little bit of delay on the PC, like when I click things you hear it, or you see it like a second later. Alright, so let's reset. I always like to reset. I don't think you need to in this case, but I like doing it anyway just to make sure everything's working. So we're looking for Mega Man and Final Fantasy Tactics. Mega Man Battle Network. Okay. Similar to Car.h. I never added images and stuff to Car.h. I only use Car.h to play the games, and that's it. I use Launchbox as my front end. and Car.h just runs the games. Okay, so let's try that one more time. We'll do ROM names. We'll just leave it the same. Let's try scraping it that way. Okay, it says it's starting. That's a good sign. And it's taking a while too, which is also good. That means it's downloading videos. Boom, baby. Let's try it out. I think that worked. See, it's just so it's so fun to mess with this thing when things work. And honestly, I haven't had that many issues. It's pretty much just drag and drop, honestly. So let's figure out if that worked. Yeah, baby, look at this. Okay, so renaming the files worked, but it's a little weird. I wonder why these up here worked. Whatever. Okay, so now, let's see, now what do I need to do? Take a look at the list. Hey, and thanks for following. I didn't see a notification pop up, but thank you. I usually don't stream this, but it's been a while since I've done a live stream, and I've been feeling the itch, so I thought, why not just stream it? So I still need to clean out the GBA section. I got 80 games. I think that's too much, honestly. I don't want to have a system that's just has a complete ROM set. I already have a complete ROM set of everything on my PC. I'm using the Raspberry Pi for just like a simple condensed list of games, classics, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna have to clean out some of those 80 games. I'll do that another time though. Check out the DS section. Final Fantasy 3, I think I need to change the name to the 3 eyes instead of the number 3. It's just little things like this, man, that you just keep, you look through your list, you're like, this needs to change, this needs a video, this needs a better image, and you just work on it. I haven't actually played this thing since I got it, and I got it in like January or something. Okay, let's see, what else? I still need to add images and details for these ROM hacks, but I'll do that another time because I need to find details or information on the description, what I could put for that. Okay, so the DS section's looking pretty good. I think there was a video for Mother that I wanted to add. '25th Anniversary Edition. No video. I'm not sure if I want to add, what is it? What do they call it? Mother? Earthbound Zero? Earthbound Beginnings? officially, Earthbound Beginnings. If I want to add the video to this, yeah, let me add the video. I do have a PS4. I play it every night. Mostly every night. Okay, so no video for this. Let's go to the PC. Again, the folder on the right is my Pi, and the folder on my left is the PC. So we need to go into Launchbox and look for the video for Mother. I just want to, I don't know what it's called. I think it's called Mother. Yeah, I need my computer back. It's a lot of back and forth because I got to put my computer or my keyboard into the Pi. Now I need it back into the PC. It's pretty crazy. Okay. I'm not getting Anthem. I don't think I'm gonna get it. I tried the beta out. I wasn't feeling it, man. Mother. Earth. Huh, why don't I have it? Yeah, it's crazy. Luckily I have a wireless keyboard that makes things a little bit easier. Okay, so let me open up Launchbox, which is, you're not going to be able to see it. I don't have that set up, but I thought I had a video for Mother. Okay, so I don't have a video, but I do have a video for Mother 1 and Mother 2 on GBA right here. And I could use that. The only problem is it transitions into Mother 2 at the end, so it doesn't really make sense. I'll probably just leave this blank or without a video. As long as there's an image there, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. If anything, I'll make... There's some videos I need to make myself and put on here. I forget what games those are for that I need to do that, but this is fine. Okay. Let's move over to PS1. And PS1 is kind of why I got this thing anyway, because I could never get PS1 games to work on my computer. I just, for some reason, I didn't know how to do it, but on here it was so simple. Okay, so I need to change this. Tomba. The cover art doesn't match, but that's okay. I'm not too nitpicky about it right now. I'm sure eventually I'll get that way, but right now I just want everything to kind of work and have correct naming and videos and all that stuff. I want it to run smoothly, so that's not a problem for me. Now I need to Super Nintendo. Mario Brothers Enhanced. I got some ROM hacks on here. Okay, so I need to add an image for this. I don't think there is one though. I don't even know if I want this on here. Let's boot it up and see what it is. I forget. Okay, so it's Super Mario World with Mario All-Stars graphics. Wait, no, I think it's a remake of Mario Brothers 1. Oh, this is kind of confusing. Okay. Okay, so it's Mario Brothers 1 in the Mario World engine using Mario All-Stars graphics. Super Mario Brothers 3 Mario All-Stars graphics. That could be kind of cool to play. I need an image for that, which I don't think I have. So let me move over to Launchbox real quick. I've always loved emulation, and I've been interested in those classic systems like the NES Classic, Super Nintendo Classic, and the PS1 Classic, but I just can't see myself buying those when it's so limited. So I figured I'd make my own, and I don't have an image for this, so I'll probably have to do a Google search. Maybe someone has a custom image for it, maybe not. The very least I could do is capture a screenshot. Yeah, let me do that. Very least I could do is capture a screenshot and then just use that as the cover art. Okay, so we got the screenshot. Let's see what it looks like. I gotta find out where the screenshot is anyway. So it should be in this retro Pi folder. Why do I have so many screenshots? Oh, achievements. Cool. These are achievement screenshots. Sweet. There it is, baby. So let's take this. I'm going to copy this to the desktop. And then we're going to move it into the images file. shorten the name out. The name of the image does not need to match with the ROM file. Let me get my keyboard in. Oh my gosh. The only thing is that it needs to be named correctly. You need to match this title with whatever you put in RetroPie. And it needs to be called dash image at the end. Dash image. That's it. Back to the RetroPie. Okay, and it's super simple to do this, man. This is all it is. It's drag and drop, honestly. I mean, I used a lot of YouTube videos to get me through it. I was really intimidated at first, but, you know, like I said, first you just do what you want it to do, and then you start figuring out you can add things to it. It's just a lot of fun. Reminds me of the days when I used to modify Smash Brothers, Project M, and then you just locate the path, and that's it. Image, and then you also need the file type. Just like that. Okay, it's got a little lag to it though. That might not work. I still don't know what causes the lag, so I'm gonna go online and figure out if somebody has a custom box art for this ROM hack. Kind of. There is kind of a box art image for it. It's very small. Well, I'll save it and we'll see what it looks like. We will see. Okay, so let's go to the folders, or the folder. Just gonna copy the name here, and then we're gonna delete it. Throw this in there. Boom, that's it. And since it's PNG, we don't need to change the file type on the Pi. So let's see. Okay, yeah, that works. That's actually not bad at all. That's really good. Okay, so I will need to make a video for this, a custom video. Let me write that down in the notes. Nintendo DS section looks good. Need to do some testing on the only downside of this thing is N64 emulation is very hit or miss, mostly miss. Okay. Yoshi's Island on Super Nintendo. I should have that scraped. Yoshi's Island? Super Mario Brothers 2 Yoshi's Island? Super Mario World 2? Yeah, there it is, okay. Alright, so I do need to scrape that. Alright, see if it works. Now, if this doesn't work, then there's definitely a problem on my end, because this should work flawlessly. I've had no problems with Super Nintendo scraping. Okay, there's a problem. The games DB, I'll try it. Maybe I need to update. Oops. It goes by so fast, you can't really see what it says. Okay, I will update. This usually takes a little while. I don't know what the problem is. In the meantime, let me get ready for... Well, it kind of depends on if this works or not. Alright. So I have a couple of ideas. I'm going to try this again. And I already know it's not going to work, but try it anyway. Okay. Let's go back and see what kind of damage I did. And if this doesn't work, I'm going to rename it like I did with those GBA games. Okay, see, a little weird. Okay, alright, let's rename it. So there's definitely got to be a problem on my end, and I don't know what the deal is because I haven't done anything different. Delete the save. And you can use oh my gosh, I can't speak. You can use zipped files. It just takes a little bit longer to boot, but you end up saving some space that way. Back to the Pi. Reset. Okay. The moment of truth. That took a little more effort that time around, but I didn't see where it said it was starting. I seen a bunch of skipping, not a lot of starting. But we'll try it. Hopefully. Yes. I hope this game runs on this system. Guess I should try it out for a little bit. This is the fun part. You get to test the games, and then here's where you get lost. 30 minutes later, you know, just trying to do a simple test, you end up beating the game. But you gotta see if these things work, because what's the point of having them on here if you can't play them? So far, so good. I gotta fix the borders here. There's a little bit of overlap with the overlay and the game screen. I'll have to fix that. I'll probably do it now, actually, while I'm here. Okay, level 1. Oh my gosh. Are my buttons screwed up? Are you kidding me? How in the world? Crap. I gotta watch it again. I thought the options would be on this screen, but they're not. How are my controls messed up though? I thought I had everything set. Something must have happened because this is bad. Okay, jump. Okay, jump. Grab, spit. So I think my Y and X are reversed. Let me fix that real quick. So this needs to be X. And then this down here needs to be Y. Okay, that works. AX, BY. So for player 2, I need the same thing. AX, BY. I don't know how I messed that up. Save core overrides. Okay, let me just beat this level really fast. Because I need to get to the map screen. It's weird, I never noticed it, but in whenever you play, the top and bottom have black bars. But it's not like that, like on the title screen. So I need to see what's up with that really quick. Okay, I need to find a different game to do that with. So let me reboot it. Just to see if the... Yeah, this is weird because I feel like I was just playing Super Mario World and everything felt fine there. But I think in Mario World, X and Y do the same thing anyway. So that's probably why I wasn't able to notice. Jump back into it. Okay, while I'm on this screen, I guess I'll configure the screen size somehow. See, it's not too bad. Right now I'm nitpicking. It's not really an issue. But let's just see what it looks like. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fix it perfectly because the overlay has curved corners. But I'll try it. Try it anyway. Okay, I think it's fine how I had it, or how it was, until you know, until it's a problem, I don't need to fix it, and it's not a problem. Oh, I didn't even test the controls, crap. See what I mean? You just keep on adding things to it. There's so much you can do. So much customization here. I do want to try something with the shaders though. That looks so good, but it lags. Yeah, it's a little laggy. Okay, the controls did not save. Why? Why did they not save? Oh, maybe there's something else. Oh, here we go. I need to do it, save it right here on the remap file. So this needs to be X. This needs to be Y. And then for player 2, we'll do the same thing, X. And then X. I'm pretty sure. Hold on. It goes Y first and then X. No, X first. Hold on. X first for Y, and then Y for X.
It is now 3 a.m.
Okay, so that is correct, right? X and then Y. X and then Y. Okay. And then you go up, save core remap. Exit, relaunch. Okay, that was a long process, but it all worked out. Now, okay, I'm so glad that scraped with, I don't know why, it's like these, it used to do it like perfectly fine with those weird file types, those weird file names, I mean. So I don't know what's going on. I've updated. I don't know. So I still need to clean out the GBA section. I need a GBA expert for that though, because I don't have much experience with the GBA. Do I have Advanced Wars on here? I do. Okay. So I need to create a video for newer Mario Brothers on the DS. I need to scrape Rhythm Heaven. I got an idea for that. So Rhythm Heaven, I have a modified version called Rhythm Heaven Touchless. So you can play it without using a stylus. I'm thinking I'm just gonna rename it Rhythm Heaven and then let the scraper pick it up as Rhythm Heaven, and then I can just modify it from there. Same thing with 64DS multiplayer. I don't even know if I want to have this on here because it is kind of hard to play. I'll tell you what. Yeah, I don't know. I won't scrape it yet. I will change the title though. So let's go to the PC. And for Rhythm Heaven Touchless, we're just gonna name it Rhythm Heaven. Oops. Rhythm Heaven. And just to make sure, let's go to my DS section and see what it's called here. Just make sure it's spelled correctly. Okay. I will give that a shot. I will rename this. See, I would just scrape it as SM64DS, but since I already have it in the games list, it's not going to scrape over it unless I do overwrite, which I could, but I want to back up my my stuff before I do that. I want to make a backup just in case something goes wrong. And the only thing that could go wrong is that it wouldn't scrape some of these, so I'd have to manually add them again. Like I did manual, I manually added Partners in Time, or where is it at? Bowser's Inside Story and Sonic Colors. Also, I don't want it to take away like newer Super Mario Brothers, because I don't want it to say, you know, hash not found in the system, and then it just erases everything. So let's, with this named, let's go back to the Pi. Restart emulation station. Rhythm Heaven, okay. And let's see. Oh, I got 2 errors. That was probably, one of them was probably Rhythm Heaven. Let's go find out, I guess. Dang it, that's gonna suck. I might name it Rhythm Paradise because that's what it was called in Europe. No Rhythm Heaven. Wow. Let's try Rhythm Paradise. Wait a minute. What is the game actually called? I don't think it's just Rhythm Heaven. Hold on, let me find... Yeah, it's called Rhythm Heaven. I will try Rhythm Paradise. Okay, let's just restart system. Just give it a refresh. It's taken a while, longer than usual. Why? Taking a lot longer than usual. Okay, yeah, that I was getting worried there. That was crazy. Okay, let's give it a shot. And if it does scrape Rhythm Paradise, that's not going to be a problem at all. All I would need to do is change the box art. Maybe a few words in the description, I'm not sure. I think it'll be fine either way. As long as I get something, I'll be happy. Starting Rhythm Paradise. Error for multiplayer. I think I said error, dude. What's going on? Why? Okay. Let's rename it. Again. Try it one more time. Let's do file name. I don't know. I'll try file name. I don't think that worked. I'm just trying anything and everything at this point. It's not gonna work. I don't know why. So I will probably just have to manually add it. Yep. Dude, it's not picking up on anything. Yeah, I'll probably just have to manually add it, and this will probably be the last thing I do tonight. Okay, I need keyboard. Okay, so I need to go to my images. I need to find the videos and images. Rhythm Heaven. Throw that in there. Same thing with the video. Throw that in there. Okay. Take out the 01. You don't need to take out the 01. Like I said, you can name it anything you want, as long as it says dash image for the picture and dash video for the video. And that's pretty much the hardest part right there whenever you want to manually add these in, because you need to have the files on your PC, obviously, but thanks to Launchbox, I already have most of this stuff. All right, back over to the Pi. I'm probably doing things the long way, but I tried editing the games list, and that didn't work so well. So for the description, there is no description on Launchbox for some reason. Let me see if I can scrape it real quick. Wow, there's like nothing, no information on this game. On the game's DB. Launchbox didn't have a description. Okay. See what the back of the box, if the back of the box says anything. I don't have a box for this. Crap. Okay, I just tried to look up the description for the game on GameStop, and wow, that description is completely wrong. See what Amazon has to say about it. Wow, huge description. Okay, I'll do that one. That one's not bad. Amazon's got you covered. That word looks wrong to me. Okay, cool. Now I want to find out the touch controls. Okay, whatever. It's fine how it is. Okay, image, here we go. Forgot I was doing this. What's her rating? We'll give it 4. 4, 5, 09. Developer. By Nintendo? Really? I thought... Whatever. We'll do it. We'll just put Nintendo. I don't think it's actually developed by Nintendo, but we'll go with it. Genre. We'll do music. Okay, let's see if it worked. Oh my god. It worked, but that image is low quality. Yeah, that'll work. That's all I have. I don't want to go hunting for another image. That's fine. Completely fine. Okay, and I think that's all I'm gonna do. Let me think. Tell you what, let me... No, yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna do. I was gonna go into the game and figure out the touchless controls, but I need a mouse to start the game. You do need a mouse. And I don't want to plug that in and do all that stuff, so... And it's not that big of a deal, so that's why I'm not gonna do it right now. Still a lot of things to do, but... I did get a lot done as well. Alright, so that's gonna be it for tonight. Time really flies when you do this. Usually I only do like hour-long streams, but so far I've done 2 of these RetroPie streams, and I've gone to like an hour and a half. So, a lot of fun doing this. I love it. It's just so relaxing and really gets you into a zone. I love that. But that's all I'm going to do tonight, because I do want to spend the rest of my night playing games instead of trying to set this thing up. Take it one step at a time, and I will see you on the next stream. Good night, everybody.